In this guide, I will be showing you guys 10 settings you should review to help protect and optimize your iPhone, ensuring your privacy is intact and your battery lasts as long as possible. First, launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Analytics and Improvements. At the top, turn off Your iPhone Analytics or Your iPhone and Watch Analytics if you have an Apple Watch. This will stop your iPhone from sharing your usage data with Apple. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and tap on Apple Intelligence Report. If you see this option, tap Report Duration and select Off. This will stop your iPhone from reporting your usage data and personal info for Apple's intelligence features. Then go back to Privacy and Security and tap on Apple Advertising. Make sure Personalized Ads is turned off to prevent Apple from delivering ads based on your activity. Next, scroll to the top of the Privacy and Security menu and tap on Tracking. If Allow App to Request to Track is turned on, apps can prompt you to allow them to track your activity across other apps and websites. To stop this, turn off Allow App to Request to Track and select Ask App to stop tracking. For additional privacy, head to Safari. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. You can also tap Hide IP Address and select from Trackers. Additionally, turn on Fraudulent Website Warning and Not Secure Connection Warning to get notified when a website may not be safe. Next, let's check for subscriptions that may be charging your credit card without your knowledge. For that, go back to the main page of settings. Click on your Apple ID, select the option Subscriptions. Here you can review any active subscriptions such as free trials you may have forgotten about. Tap on App to review its subscription, and if you don't want to continue, tap Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial. To optimize battery life, go to Settings, General, then Background App Refresh. You can turn off this entirely or set it to run only when connected to Wi-Fi. Disable it for apps that don't need to run in the background, like shopping apps or social media platforms. Another way to conserve battery is by adjusting your display and brightness settings. Turn off Always On Display, which keeps basic information visible even when your screen is locked. In the auto lock section, choose a time limit for how long your screen stays on before it automatically locks. I recommend setting it to 4 minutes, but you can also choose anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. And that's it. These 10 settings will help protect your privacy and optimize your iPhone's performance. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.